come with me and let's open the book of my favorite blends and make a custom perfume. Check it out. All right, so let's start. We have our little 60 ml perfume spray bottle. Put it on the precision scale, tare it. The 4 oils we're going to be mixing would be cinnamon, right? I'm going to add 5 grams or 5 mLs. Next one we're going to do is Imperial Oud. This is a really popular one for a lot of men. This is one of the most popular ouds in the store. Oud, again, just translates into wood in English. That's where the word wood in English comes from. It's from the Arabic oud. Next one would be Woody Oud. This has more of a woodiness to it. The Imperial Oud has like a spice and wood vibe to it. This is more of a woody wood. Okay. And then we want to add some sweetness. So we're going to add some rose vanilla. Wood and rose are two popular scents used in perfumery. So these would mix well together. This is our perfume, right? We're gonna add some fixative. Can you see? About a half ml. And then we'll add some alcohol, right? So, I don't know if you can see the alcohol right here. Go a little halfway. We take this stir. Cap it off. Put a little spray on. Little spray nozzle. Shake, shake, shake. I don't know, can you see all those bubbles? That means it's a high oil concentrate inside of the Parfum. Really good quality stuff. Right? So, check it out. What should we name this? Give me a name, you guys. What are we gonna name this smell? Smells woody, spicy, and vanilla rose. The ingredients we put in it with a hint of cinnamon. The cinnamon is not that strong, but you smell it in the undertones. This is great for the fall, winter. Give me a name so we can label it.